Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to move table in Word freely. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So let's add a table to this document. Go to the Insert tab, Table, and select the size of the table. For example, I'll create a small table. Okay, the table has been created, and in order to move it freely, we go to the upper left corner and hold down the leftmost button on this icon and then move it in any direction on the page. By default, the text always wraps around the table, but we can change this and position the table between paragraphs. Right-click on the table and select Table Properties. Next, in the Text Wrapping section, select None, and the table will be moved to the place between the paragraphs. But if text wrapping suits you, we can additionally adjust the distance between the table and the text. Returns to the Table Properties, click the Positioning button, and in the Distance from Surrounding Text section, decrease or increase the distance between the table and the text from all sides. Then click OK, and that's it. Now in Automore.